This is Rahul Gandhi's jungle safari row. BJP has mocked the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi. BJP MP says Rahul Gandhi is a political tourist. This has got to do with the fact that Gandhi was undertaking a jungle safari in Madhya Pradesh, is what we know at this point in time. He was at the Panarpani, in fact, Tiger Reserve. Listen in to what the BJP said.
आजकल टूरिस्ट महोदय कहाँ घूम रहे हैं?
सर जंगलों में।
जंगलों में। क्योंकि मैंने
पंचमढ़ी
मैं देखा राहुल गांधी कहीं, एक तो मैं देखा बाघ का सफारी कर रहे थे, तो मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया, तो यहाँ के मुझे बताया गया पंचमढ़ी गए हुए वो। देखिए, इसी मंच से हमने कहा था कि राहुल गांधी इज ए पॉलिटिकल टूरिस्ट, और एवरी डे कंफर्म्स दैट इंप्रेशन अबाउट हिम। राजनीतिक पर्यटक हैं राहुल गांधी, पर्यटन करते हैं। हो गया, बस 2-3 दिन प्रचार कर लिया, बहुत हो गया। हाँ,
Aishwarya is getting in more on that big story at this point in time. Aishwarya, not the first time that the BJP has taken on Rahul Gandhi for taking regular breaks that he does from his political work, isn't it?
Well, Sneha, let me tell you what exactly Ravi Shankar Prasad was speaking about. He was speaking about the fact that they are very, very confident that it will be the NDA that will sweep across the state of Bihar. And one of the main reasons is because they are all working together in tandem, and each of the allies are working for BJP, and BJP people are working to make sure that the allies also win at their respective seats. But this is not the case with the Mahagathbandhan. The opposition is actually a scattered gang. They have been pointing fingers at each other, have been making statements against one another, and that is exactly the reason why the people of the nation, and especially the people of Bihar, actually believe in what Nitish Kumar and Prime Minister Modi have to give them. And also Ravi Shankar Prasad taking a personal jibe at Rahul Gandhi, saying that when he is someone who only goes to a state because he just wants to go there for a couple of days, just have a feel and then come back, this shows that the Congress party is not serious about politics, especially Rahul Gandhi.
I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal on the jibe that the BJP has taken against Rahul Gandhi.